first graders, welcome to Fundations. The materials you will need at home are index cards, a red crayon, your notebook, and a pencil. The materials you will need in school are index cards, a red crayon, the tile boards, a pencil, and a notebook. Today's objective is I can spell words with suffix s as z and identify trick words. So we are going to learn 3 new trick words to add to our list. The first word we are going to learn is there. Now remember, this there is talking about a place. So when we're thinking about a classroom, think something is over there. It's in a place. So how do I use the word there in a sentence? Your backpack is over there. Notice how I underline my digraph CK in backpack and the TH in there. Do you see any other trick words in this sentence? Good. Your and is. Those are other trick words that we've learned a little while ago. So remember, there is a place. The next word we are going to learn is where. The word where also talks about a place. Now remember, when you see the H in here, that's where. But if there's no H, then that word is were. So it's really important to know the difference with where and were. And where can also be a question word. So how do I use the word where in a sentence? Where do you live? That's part of my question sentence. Notice how I underline the WH digraph in the word where. Do you see any other trick words in the sentence? Good. Do and you. The last trick word we are going to learn is here. So here is also a place. How do I use the word here in a sentence? Tom, come here. Now let's get ready to echo. Remember, when you see echo the owl, you repeat after me. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, and E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, A. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. WH, whistle, W. CH, chin, Ch. SH, ship, Sh. TH, thumb, Th. CK, sock, K. S, bugs, Z. ALL, ball, all. AN, fan, an. AM, ham, am. Good. Now let's pause the video and stretch all our vowel sounds. Now our word of the day today is the word jobs. So if you're in school, please take out your dry erase board because we are going to have to write this word down. How do you tap out the word jobs? That's right. Your hands are up. J, A, B, jobs. Remember, we don't need to tap out that suffix S. We only tap out the base words. We're only tapping out job. But how many letters do you see in the word jobs? That's right, 4 letters. But how many sounds? Also 4. How can we write it on the writing grid? So please take your dry erase boards, write the word jobs. Does your word look like mine? Notice jobs starts at the plain line, goes down towards the worm line. The O is a plain line letter. Our B is tall to the skyline. And our S is in the plain line. How do we mark the word jobs? Right, we should have a scoop under the base word and we circle our suffix. Then we mark the sound that the S makes at the end. What is the vowel sound in the word jobs? Good. Ah. And what does the word jobs mean? It means more than one job. Now let's make words. So what you're going to do is you're going to take out your tile boards, or if you're at home, you're going to take out your notebook and a pencil, and we are going to make words. And we're only going to make words by changing one sound at a time. So the first word we are going to build is jobs. Please spell the word jobs on your tile board or in your notebook. Good. Now we are going to change the word, but only with one sound. So you don't have to put all the tiles back. You just need to move one tile. So we have jobs. Now make jabs. Jabs. This is what jabs looks like. So remember, we're only changing one sound, so you don't need to take all the tiles off. Okay. Now the next word we're going to make is jags. Jags. This is what jags looks like. We only changed one sound. And now we are going to make the word bags. Bags. And this is what the word bags look like. We changed only one sound, the beginning sound. So we made 4 words by just changing one sound. Now you can put your tile boards away, and you need your notebooks and a pencil and a red crayon. I'm going to dictate a sentence that you should write in your notebook. Notice the blue boxes. These are our blue sentence boxes. Notice how in the beginning we have a tall blue box, which means we should have a capital letter in the very beginning of our sentence. Sentences always start with a capital letter. Then we have finger spaces in between each blue word box. So make sure you have spaces. And in this third blue box, there's another tall blue box in the beginning, which means that word needs to have a capital letter because it's probably a name. And at the end, we have that small punctuation that small punctuation box means that you need a punctuation mark in it. So you might need a period or a question mark or an exclamation point. Now, please listen to the sentence very carefully. You can pause the video as many times as you need to listen to the sentence. And then when you're done writing your sentences, you need to upload the picture onto your Google assignment. Okay. Jack and Maria are sad. Again, Jack and Maria are sad. Does your sentence look like mine? We have a diagram here. Jack and Maria, which might be a little bit harder to write, are sad. And if your sentence doesn't look like mine, please fix it. Now, can you be a trick word detective and circle all of the trick words that are in the sentence? That's right, and are. They are trick words. Now let's scoop our sentence to read with expression. Remember, your scoops don't have to match mine, so that's okay if they don't end up matching. This is what my scoops look like. So let's read this together. Jack and Maria are sad. Now I'm going to read to you another sentence that you should write down. Again, take a look at our blue word boxes. Our tall blue box in the beginning means a capital letter. Then that third word also has a capital letter. We need finger spaces and a punctuation mark at the end. Now, this sentence is really similar to the first one we wrote. So if you're not sure how to write some of the words, you can copy your other sentence. Well, part of it anyway. This time you're going to write Jack and Maria were sad. So this word is changing. Jack and Maria were sad. Take a look at my sentence. Does your sentence match mine? We changed one of the words in the sentence. So just like we changed one sound in making new words, we changed one word to change the sentence. Now, can you be a trick word detective and find all of the trick words in the sentence and circle it with your red crayon? Good. And were. Now let's scoop the sentence to read with expression. Remember, your scoops don't have to match mine. Let's read the sentence together with expression. Jack and Maria were sad. Now you are going to try this on your own. Have a great day.